Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Hootsuite Social Media Management, my multi-account experience. Hootsuite Social Media Management is a platform designed to help individuals and businesses manage multiple social media accounts from one central dashboard. Its target audience is anyone juggling various social profiles across platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Key features include scheduling posts, analyzing performance, and engaging with audiences. Their website provides details on the various plans and features offered. Hootsuite emphasizes streamlining social media workflows, saving users time and effort. They offer various pricing tiers, catering to different needs and budgets. While they don't explicitly advertise no contracts, their subscription model allows for flexibility. Hootsuite positions itself as a leader in the social media management space, competing with other platforms like Buffer and Sprout Social. Their platform leverages cloud technology to provide access from anywhere with an internet connection. Availability is global, and you can check their website for specific details and to sign up for a free trial or paid plan. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Hootsuite Social Media Management. Getting started was fairly straightforward. After signing up, I connected my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook accounts. The onboarding process guided me through the essential features, like setting up streams to monitor mentions and keywords. Navigating the interface was initially a little overwhelming due to the sheer number of options, but after a few days, I got the hang of it. Scheduling posts was a breeze, and I appreciated the bulk scheduling option for planning content in advance. I used the analytics dashboard to track engagement and reach on my posts, which provided valuable insights. The platform performed reliably, and I rarely experienced any glitches or slowdowns. I did have a quick question about integrating a specific analytics tool, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard became after I familiarized myself with it. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to monitor multiple social media streams simultaneously. One minor drawback was the limited functionality of the mobile app compared to the desktop version. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced scheduling options, but the tutorials provided within the platform were helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Hootsuite. While it has a slight learning curve, it significantly improved my social media management workflow and saved me considerable time. That's my overview of Hootsuite Social Media Management, my multi-account experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.